Good morning, everybody. This is Backyard Politics, and I'm Nikki. This is an update to the COVID-19 slash coronavirus. So here in Oregon, Kate Brown, our governor, called for a state of emergency, and no more than 250 people are allowed to be in a public space at the same time. Obviously, the NBA has canceled their season, or at least postponed it at this point. So is the NHL. Yeah, it's fucking nuts out there. I got an email this morning from our school district that said that as of after today, they'll be on the kids will be on an extended spring break until April 1st. So luckily, I mostly stay home with the kids, but for all of those other people that don't, I don't know how they're going to manage the childcare aspect of this. I feel really bad for everybody that obviously like the NFL player or the NBA players and NHL players will be totally fine. But as far as people working concession stands and, as ushers and security and everything like that, it affects them, They're not going to have any more jobs. Mark Cuban, I do want to give credit where it's due. Mark Cuban with the Dallas Mavericks said that he was interviewed, and when he was interviewed, he said that he does realize that that is an issue, and he will make sure that at least his people are taken care of, which is awesome there. So good job, Mark Cuban. I went to the grocery store partially because I needed to, and partially because on the radio this morning, I heard a guy from Seattle, Washington talking, and he said that they're basically in the same boat as us. They can't have more than 250 people in a space at a time, but also that they're talking about shutting down grocery stores. And I don't want to spread panic here, but I mean, it's already kind of been spread like by the mainstream media. So I went to the grocery store to get, just some fruits, vegetables, general stuff. And there are no cleaning supplies left. There were tissues to blow your nose and some paper towels. Zero toilet paper, which I'm sorry, but with the coronavirus, what the hell do you need with a cart full of toilet paper? Seriously. Shout out to you Costco moms. Thanks for screwing all of us over. I didn't shop at Costco today, for the record. I'm just saying the viral videos going around of all of these white American moms who are moms of privilege, honestly, probably Biden supporters, are rushing down to the grocery stores and hoarding everything so the rest of us can't have shit. So I went down to our grocery store. No cleaning supplies, no soap, no mops. Like, it's just fucking stupid. There were 3 cashiers, which I don't blame the workers there whatsoever. They're doing what they can. I mean, they're either sick, scared, they realize there shouldn't be more than 250 people in a space at a time. I don't know what. But the people that were working were very sweet and kind, and I even wish them luck because, god damn it, those are some everyday heroes out there right now dealing with the rest of these crazy people. While I was shopping, somebody had called 911, so the paramedics showed up because somebody wasn't feeling very well. It ended up being nothing. Like, they weren't taken out on the gurney that they had originally brought in. They just continued shopping, so they were fine. But there were like 4 or 5 paramedics there, and one of the women paramedics got asked by a woman shopper something about how are we supposed to get tested, where can we get tests, and the woman EMT said, I'm really sorry, there aren't any tests. So that's reassuring. Little bit of personal news. My daughter has been sick for 6 days now with all the symptoms of the coronavirus. She's, not in any giant risk here. Like, she's on the upward swing of things. My husband just started showing signs yesterday, and then today I'm not feeling so hot, to be honest with you. I'm hoping that we just have bugs, but we don't know. Same with a lot of other Americans. We just don't know. So, it's frustrating. It's really frustrating. It's a little bit scary, because either you find out you do have it and then you have to stay in quarantine for 2 weeks, or you just don't know. And I mean, we're just all passing it back and forth everywhere. So, yeah, it's kind of ridiculous, honestly. The richest country in the world can't fucking figure out their healthcare system. Stupid. We're supposed to be the #1 country, and we are last among the developed countries go as far as healthcare. This is bullshit. Absolute bullshit that we don't have a single payer healthcare system. It's fucking bullshit. So yeah, we aren't going to the doctor. We don't have doctors. We don't have insurance. So hopefully we just have the flu, which is kind of harder. It's kind of hard to tell if it's the flu or the coronavirus, honestly. I've read a bunch of different articles. The fact that we don't know about any of the coronavirus is just what it is. We just don't know. There's talks from doctors that this could last around 5 to 6 months. So economically, I am even more terrified than I am health-wise. I hope that the elderly stay inside away from this sickness. I hope that all of us can reach out that aren't sick and help the ones that need help. But yeah, I'm really worried financially. My husband works commissions, and if nobody's going anywhere, nobody's buying anything. So how we're going to pay for this house, I have no fucking idea right now. I really don't. Corona. Not to make jokes, but I mean, you have to make light at some point, right? So anyway, yeah, it's just really frustrating. It's frustrating that we can't seem to all get on the same page with like free healthcare, which technically isn't even free. We're all paying for it. It's just a lot cheaper than the way the system is right now. And if you go down the street just a little ways from my house, there is a doctor's clinic down there. Their parking lot is so full, they don't have spots. We're just making the higher ups even richer. The grocery stores are bought out. I mean, it's ridiculous. The people that are going to be bailed out of this are the higher ups, the rich, the already rich. We're going to be screwed. The everyday people are screwed right now. So we can all thank the GOP and the DNC, both sides, fuck them both. Okay? Seriously. Nancy Pelosi says she wants to make the vaccines affordable. I can't fucking afford any of it. I don't know about you, but a lot of us can't. Most people, most Americans cannot afford a $400 medical emergency. I think that number is going to go way down after nobody is buying anything and we're already on the brink of a freaking recession. So that's the left for you. The right just doesn't want to go anywhere at this point. They're giving us little bits of, well, the tests will be free. Okay, well, what next? What if you do, end up with the virus? Are we going to have sick pay? Oh, well, the GOP denied that. Okay? It's just bullshit. Every single person panicking right now needs to understand that if we had Medicare for all, we would be leading the way in this shit. We would be showing the rest of the world how it's done. And yet, we're one of the last to figure out how to do this. This is absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, as I was leaving the grocery store today, there were the 3 cashiers that I talked about. There was a self-checkout line, and all the lines wrapped like around the building. Not literally all the way around, but they went around. So there was an old man, poor guy. He walks in and he goes, Jesus, what is this all about? And the lady in front of me goes, it's the line to check out. And he's like, oh my God. I wanted to be like, sir, where have you been the last couple of weeks? Good thing he's not watching mainstream media, though, I guess. Anyway, everybody stay healthy. Don't panic. We will get through this. My family sounds like they're waking up. So, anyway, everybody stay healthy. Wash your hands. Try to stay away from the elderly and the vulnerable with respiratory issues. They really can't get sick right now. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for videos, feel free to contact me through Twitter at Backyard Politics. My DMs are open. You can always contact me through there. I don't answer through Instagram. I've gotten quite a few weird messages that make me feel a little icky, so I won't answer there, but I will answer to Twitter. I can't download links or anything because I don't want to get a virus, obviously. Not to play on the word virus here, but anyway, yeah, like these videos, share them, subscribe to this channel. It helps spread the word. It helps more people see these videos and be informed. And I'll check in here with you guys when I get more news on the coronavirus or anything else politically trending. And until I hear from you, and until next time, stay healthy and Medicare be with you.